Every pharma thinks they're doing something different, but they're all very copyists. They all work in the same stuff.
Yeah.
One of my roles when I was at MDL was to visit every one of these companies, and this was before cell phones and stuff, and we would talk about their projects, and we'd go to meeting rooms, and as a young chemist where I still had the mental acuity, I could see in the whiteboards, all the chemistries were the same. And of course, because all the synthetic organic chemists were trained in the same way, they're same chefs, and they had the same starting materials they could buy. So they're going to make the same molecules. The targets, they're not going to work on areas without hypothesis validation that they haven't read in the literature already. So it's like, they're all working on the same targets.
Yeah.
And they're like, no, we can't show you what we have. And it's like, really?
Yeah.
And so sharing data, never going to happen, but because they think they're too overly competitive. But if pharma could ever learn from the software world, as soon as pharma started getting big with software starting to get big with open source, boom, that's where we are today. I plotted this out before with GitHub repositories. Easy exponential growth right around the time AI started to just get off the charts. Google published the Attention's All You Need paper. They just gave it out there. And we have our entire U.S. economy is making a bet on basically LLMs. Yeah. That's largely stemmed from that, right? And then, of course, all the content that exists on the internet and stuff. It's crazy, but you sometimes have to share information in order to get everyone to benefit. And I don't think pharma ever gets that.
No. The Amgen and J&J almost have 90% target overlap.
Oh, yeah. You know that because you were the both.
Yeah.
Right.
And I think the open source data sharing will likely happen, but I don't think it'll be United States, but I'm expecting it more likely China biotech get bigger. It's because just like the deep sea, when Alibaba went to open source, the biotech will probably face same revolution on the Chinese side.
Yeah, I totally agree. And it's really interesting. We started a new database, a collaborative